Everyone's talking about the AI revolution. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Sora, Gemini, Claude. Every week a new model drops, and the world acts like it's witnessing the moment gold was first discovered in California. But here's the truth no one is telling you. The real AI gold rush isn't about building AI. It's about something else. Something far more profitable, far more powerful, and far more hidden. And the people getting rich, they're not the coders. They're not the influencers. They're not the startups rushing to build the next chatbot. They're the people who've quietly positioned themselves behind the scenes, taking the shovel seller role in this new technological gold rush. Tonight, we expose who they are, what they're building, and how this new AI economy is forming right under your nose. The myth everyone believes. Right now, millions of people believe that the winners of the AI era will be the companies creating the smartest models. Everyone wants to build the next OpenAI or the next Anthropic. Everyone wants their own chatbot. Everyone wants to train the fastest, smartest, most powerful AI in the world. But look at history. The people who got rich during the original gold rush weren't gold miners. They were. The people selling tools, the ones selling land, the ones building railroads, and the ones storing, shipping, or refining the gold after it was taken out of the ground. AI is no different. The companies building chatbots will make money? Sure. But the ones making the real money, they're the ones building everything around AI, the things AI can't function without. And this is where the modern story begins. The real gold, compute power. Every AI model in the world runs on one thing, compute. GPUs, AI supercomputers, massive clusters of chips that cost more than skyscrapers. NVIDIA isn't selling AI chatbots. They're selling the picks and shovels. Who's buying? Everyone. Tech giants, governments, hedge funds, oil companies, defense contractors, even startups raising billions before they've built anything. But here's the twist. We're already hitting a wall. There aren't enough GPUs. There aren't enough data centers. There isn't enough cooling. There isn't enough power. Suddenly, companies with access to hundreds of megawatts of electricity are more valuable than companies with 200 engineers. The winners? Data center builders, power providers, GPU rental platforms, cloud infrastructure companies, energy-rich regions investing in AI zones. While everyone else is fighting over prompts, these players are quietly signing billion-dollar deals. This is the first layer of the new gold rush. The second gold mine, data. AI models don't run on inspiration. They run on data, oceans of it. The companies sitting on decades of structured, high-quality, governed data, they've suddenly become the new oil barons of the digital age. We're talking about medical groups, finance companies, legal databases, educational archives, government data sets, satellite imagery companies, voice and video data sets, social platforms. They aren't building AIs. They're licensing the fuel required to train them. And the biggest brands in the world are quietly cutting deals for billions. Because whoever controls the rare, high-quality data controls the future of AI. The third rush, AI security and regulation. Every country is now racing to regulate AI. Not because they want to slow it down, but because they want to control it. Who benefits? AI auditors, safety compliance firms, government standards labs, cybersecurity companies, watermarking and authenticity tech, model verification startups. These companies aren't competing with AI. They're protecting it. Governments are already mandating audits, transparency standards, and safety testing, meaning a brand new billion-dollar industry has just formed overnight. This is the AI equivalent of building the police force, laws, and insurance systems that grew around the early industrial revolution, and it's only getting bigger. The fourth rush, services built on AI, not with AI. Here's where the smart money goes. The biggest AI winners won't be companies building foundation models. They'll be companies that use AI as the engine, not the product. Imagine AI-powered medical diagnostics, AI legal drafting firms, AI real estate analytics, AI compliance tools, AI video production companies, AI customer support agencies, AI coding productivity platforms. These companies don't need to build a GPT-5. They just plug into one, master their industry niche, and scale like wildfire. This is how wealth will be built, not by training a model, but by applying it to the real world faster than everyone else. The fifth rush, the places winning the AI war. There are cities right now turning into AI boomtowns overnight. Why? Because they have cheap land, cheap power, massive workforce pools, and open arms policies. The winners so far? Texas, Dubai, Singapore, Miami, Toronto, London, Seoul. These cities are creating tax incentives and AI zones that attract startups like magnets. Suddenly, real estate, energy, and logistics companies in these regions are exploding in value. This is the geography of the new AI gold rush, the truth they don't want you to see. Everyone thinks the gold rush is about making the smartest AI, but the real winners are the people who understand the system around the system. The ones selling compute, the ones licensing data, the ones building infrastructure, the ones protecting the models, the ones applying AI to real jobs, real industries, and real problems. AI didn't create a new economy, it created five, and the race has only just begun. The sixth rush, the hidden winners no one is looking at. While everyone is looking at the giants, OpenAI, Google, Meta, the stealth winners of the AI gold rush are hiding in plain sight. These are the companies building the micro-picks and shovels that power everything. Cooling technology companies, fiber optic cable manufacturers, companies producing power transformers, battery storage providers, rare earth mineral refiners, AI chip testing startups. You never hear their names in the news. They don't release flashy demos. They don't trend on Twitter. But every time an AI model is trained, every time a data center expands, every time a company says, "We're going AI first," these companies cash in. And here's the twist. Most of these industries were old, boring, or overlooked. Now they're suddenly the backbone of the fastest technological shift since the internet. The real gold rush isn't sexy, it's industrial, it's infrastructure, it's everything happening underneath the hype. The power crisis no one is ready for. You can't talk about AI without talking about energy. Every major LLM needs gigantic power consumption, not in theory, but in reality. Let's break the illusion. Training a frontier model consumes the same amount of energy as a small city. Running it, even more. And suddenly a brand new economy has emerged around supplying electricity to AI. States like Texas are becoming AI energy capitals because they have deregulated grids, huge land, tons of renewable energy, low-cost power, and a political appetite for tech expansion. Meanwhile, places like Virginia are hitting energy caps. They literally can't build data centers fast enough. Cities are now fighting aggressively for who gets to host the next AI compute cluster. Why? Because these clusters bring billions in investment. This isn't a tech revolution anymore. It's an energy revolution. The gold isn't just GPUs. It's the power that makes GPUs possible. The labor market no one predicted. The next overlooked opportunity? AI labor. Right now, the world is exploding with demand for AI compliance officers, AI ethics managers, prompt engineers, model evaluators, data cleaning technicians, human reviewers, synthetic data specialists, AI workflow designers, AI productivity consultants. The job market is shifting so fast that universities can't update their curriculum fast enough. But here's the irony. Everyone thought AI would eliminate jobs. Instead, it has created one of the fastest growing job booms in decades, especially in fields like cybersecurity, law, governance, and enterprise AI transformation. This is not a job apocalypse, it's a job mutation, and the people willing to adapt become the new millionaires. The final truth. The gold rush was never about AI. AI isn't the gold. AI is the shovel. The real rush is happening around AI, in the infrastructure, the power, the data, the platforms, the governance, and the individuals who learn to wield it. We are entering the biggest redistribution of economic power since the Industrial Revolution, and the world still thinks it's about chatbots. History won't remember who built the models. It will remember who built the world that runs on them. The gold rush has begun, but only a few understand where the gold actually is. If this opened your eyes to the real AI economy, make sure to like the video, comment what topic you want next, subscribe for more deep dive breakdowns into tech, business, and the future.